Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 7 New Questions and Ideas. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Upanishads Part 2. This comprises 24 questions. Question 1. Many of the ideas of the thinkers were recorded in dash. The options are the Rig Veda, the Upanishads, manuscripts, temples. Your time to choose. And the answer is the Upanishads. So, many of the ideas of the thinkers were recorded in the Upanishads. Question 2. The Upanishads are part of the dash. The options are early Vedic texts, later Vedic texts, sutra, agamas. Your time to choose. And the answer is later Vedic texts. So, the Upanishads are part of the later Vedic texts. Question 3. Upanishad literally means dash. The options are approaching, sitting near, approaching and sitting near, knowledge. Your time to choose. And the answer is approaching and sitting near. So, Upanishad literally means approaching and sitting near. Question 4. The Upanishads contain dash. The options are rituals to be performed, monologues, poems, conversations. Your time to choose. And the answer is conversations. So, the Upanishads contain conversations. Question 5. The Upanishads contain conversations between dash. The options are teachers, students, teachers and students, master and servant. Your time to choose. And the answer is teachers and students. So, the Upanishads contain conversations between teachers and students. Question 6. Often, ideas were presented through dash. The options are poems, songs, simple dialogues, monologues. Your time to choose. And the answer is simple dialogues. So, often ideas were presented through simple dialogues. Question 7. Most Upanishadic thinkers were dash. The options are men, women, old men, children. Your time to choose. And the answer is men. So, most Upanishadic thinkers were men. Question 8. Most Upanishadic thinkers were men, especially dash. The options are Brahmins, Rajas, Brahmins and Rajas, Vish or Vaishya. Your time to choose. And the answer is Brahmins and Rajas. So, most Upanishadic thinkers were men, especially Brahmins and Rajas. Question 9. Occasionally, there is mention of dash thinkers in the Upanishads. The options are men, women, children, Jana. Your time to choose. And the answer is women. So, occasionally, there is mention of women thinkers in the Upanishads. Question 10. Occasionally, there is mention of women thinkers such as dash. The options are Devaki, Durga, Ketki, Gargi. Your time to choose. And the answer is Gargi. So, occasionally, there is mention of women thinkers such as Gargi. Question 11. Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her dash. The options are devotion, learning, beauty, policies. Your time to choose. And the answer is learning. So Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her learning. Next question. Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her learning and dash. The options are participated in elections, writings, devotion, participated in debates. Your time to choose. And the answer is participated in debates. So, Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her learning and participated in debates. Question 13. Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her learning and participated in debates held in dash. The options are royal courts, assemblies, ganas or sanghas, gurukuls. Your time to choose. And the answer is royal courts. So Gargi, a woman thinker, was famous for her learning and participated in debates held in royal courts. Question 14. Dash rarely took part in discussions of thinkers. The options are Shudras, Rajas, poor people, Jana. Your time to choose. And the answer is poor people. So, poor people rarely took part in discussions of thinkers. Question 15. One famous exception of a poor person participating in discussion of thinkers is dash. The options are Satyakama Jabala, Satyabama Jabala, Satyakama Jamala, Satyanarayana Jabala. Your time to choose. And the answer is Satyakama Jabala. So, one famous exception of a poor person participating in discussion of thinkers is Satyakama Jabala. Next question, 16. Satyakama Jabala was named after dash. The options are his father, his mother, his ancestor, his god. Your time to choose. And the answer is his mother. So, Satyakama Jabala was named after his mother. Question 17. Satyakama Jabala's mother's name was dash. The options are Jabala, Jamala, Jabali, Jalebi. Your time to choose. And the answer is Jabali. So, Satyakama Jabala's mother's name was Jabali. Next question. Satyakama Jabala had a deep desire dash. The options are to win, to learn, to attain moksha, to be a Raja. Your time to choose. And the answer is to learn. So, Satyakama Jabala had a deep desire to learn. Next question. Satyakama Jabala had a deep desire to learn dash. The options are the Vedas, the Upanishads, about people, about reality. Your time to choose. And the answer is about reality. So, Satyakama Jabala had a deep desire to learn about reality. Question 20. Satyakama Jabala was accepted dash. The options are as a student, as a teacher, as a Rajguru, as a Kulguru. Your time to choose. And the answer is as a student. So, Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student. Question 21. Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by dash. The options are a Brahmin teacher, his mother, a Raja, a saint. Your time to choose. And the answer is a Brahmin teacher. So, Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher. Question 22. Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher named dash. The options are Dronacharya, Gautama, Tagore, Gautam. Your time to choose. And the answer is Gautama. So, Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher named Gautama. Question 23. Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher named Gautama and became dash. The options are a saint, one of the best kings, one of the best known teachers of the time, one of the best known thinkers of the time. Your time to choose. And the answer is one of the best known thinkers of the time. So, Satyakama Jabala was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher named Gautama and became one of the best known thinkers of the time. Next question, last question. Many of the ideas of the Upanishads were later developed by the famous thinker dash. The options are Satyakama Jabala, Shankaracharya, Kautilya, Chanakya. Your time to choose. And the answer is Shankaracharya. So, many of the ideas of the Upanishads were later developed by the famous thinker Shankaracharya. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Upanishads Part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section 6 Schools of Indian Philosophy. I'll see you there.